Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Gurudev. Today we will see practical number second. Its aim is to calculate percentage of pollen germination. Let's talk about process of microsporogenesis. That means formation of pollen grains, which you can see in the figure, and where it's synthesized in microsporangia or in anther. So we have to calculate pollen grains in this practical with pollen tubes or without pollen tubes. So it's aim of our practical. Now let's talk about requirements for our practical. Microscope, sucrose sugar solution, 10 gram sucrose, then boric acid, any flour. As you can see in your observation table, 5 numbers total are there. So you require total 5 flowers, slide and cover slip, then distilled water. So these all are requirements for your practical. Now for making of the solution, you require first of all boric acid. So how much? It's 0.01 gram boric acid you require. Then calcium nitrate, it's require 0.03 gram, and as I told, sucrose sugar, which 10 gram. So these all three chemicals you have to mix in a distilled water, as you can see in the figure. How much water you need for prepare this solution? You need 100 ml of distilled water. So make solution of it and then take dropper. With help of the dropper, you take first solution on slide. So now you have a solution on your slide. Now take your experimental flower. As you can see here, this one known as a hibiscus radiatus, which also known as a soup flower, and then dispose its pollen grains on your slide where you have a solution. Now you can clearly see the pollen grains which are in yellow color on your solution. So let's take next step. Now take your prepared slide and put under microscope at high power like this. So clearly observe your pollen grains under microscope. Adjust your microscope until you can't see your proper amount of pollen grains like this. So now after adjustment of microscope, you can see clear amount of pollen grains. Now time for the calculation of total number of pollen grains. You can see here total number of pollen grains are 17. Then wait for 10 minutes. You can also wait for 10 minutes and then observe pollen tube germination in your slide, which you can see in this figure. So then second point, how many numbers of germinated pollen tube? Then calculate amount of germinated pollen grains which with pollen tubes, which you can observe in this slide, and then fill up all informations which you can see observation table like this. First, you can see observation. In that, you can see total 5 numbers. So, here you have to take total 5 experimental flower. In that, here we take hibiscus radiatus flower, which one known as also China rose. Second, you can take rose. Third, sunflower. 4, vinca, and 5, dhatura. Then second column, it's about the total number of pollen which you observe in your slide. So calculate its number. As you remember, it's 17, as you can see in the figure. Then third column, in that you can see total number of pollen germinated. That means pollens with the pollen tube. So let's calculate it. How many numbers of pollen grains with tube? Right, it's a 5. So write down in a third number column. How many? 0, 5. It's also indicate as small n. Then last column, percentage of pollen grains, which indicate as small n upon capital N into 100. What do you mean by small n? Yeah, it's a pollen germinated. That means it's always less than total number of pollens. So here small n as a 5 numbers. Then divided by capital N. How many it's? Yeah, it's a 17. And it's multiply with the 100. So you get your answer. It's 29%. Same like it. Also you write total numbers of pollens and total number of the pollen germinated in other flower. As we take second rose, third sunflower, vinca and dhatura. So calculate percentage of these all flowers. And last, in result, you have to write in which flower you can observe highest percentage of the pollen grains. So this whole practicals here we completed. So if you have any doubt, then comment me. And also don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Goodbye everyone. We meet with our second practical.